Okay, so in this video we will see how to install any GitHub package into our own custom PHP project. So basically we are not going to utilize the composer require package name command. What we are going to do, we will try to search through one library which we need, and rather than downloading the zip, we will try to install it directly using the git. So basically how you install in traditional way is like, you will run this composer require and then package name, and that will install that package into your project. But in this case what we are going to do, we are just going to use the github as a source rather than package dot or this composer dot repository. So let's see how we can do it. You have to first go to into your composer. So basically I have created one simple PHP project with just one index file and this basic composer.json library. So here you can see we have this bare minimum in our code, and then we have this repository part. So under this what you have to do, basically if you create or will see the simple composer project means the project you have initiated using composer.init. So in that you will see only these three cases, but you will not be able to see this one. So to utilize the any package directly from the GitHub or any other repository which might be hosted on your private server or whatever, you can use this repository section under composer.json. So here what we have to do, we have to specify the repository and then array. Under array we have to specify the object, then key type. It could be git or any other older version controlling thing you are using, and the URL. So this URL must be open. That means this URL might not need any kind of authentication. So if it needs authentication, then we have to follow additional steps. So I'm just skipping that part. So basically what happens, once we have this in place, I means install. So what it is saying, like, it is giving me some kind of error which is require is invalid. So that means here is invalid. So what we have to do, we'll copy this, or you can do one thing, you can check this composer file because it is going to read from here. So you have to copy this whole and then paste it here. Okay, let me copy again and let me paste it here. Well, let's try to run this again. So now it is saying required app verify. So here you can see we have our package. It is saying nothing to install. That means probably it is already installed. So let's check here. So from here you can see we have this project pulled from the git repo. So let's try to run one code from here. There is nothing much here, so let's go to the documentation first and let's try to see the one example. Okay, I'm just trying to copy paste it. Let's import the package and let's run. So you can see it is running perfectly fine. So using this approach you can install any git package or any other repository package directly into your project without depending upon this packagist repository, just like in Node.js we have the npm. So yeah, that's it. I think you can use it in your project also. Sometimes it can happen like some project which is hosted or available in the packagist. Okay, so here you can see we have our package. It is saying nothing to install, that means probably it is already installed. So let's check here. So from here you can see we have this project pulled from the git repo. So let's try to run one code from here. There is nothing much here, so let's go to the documentation first.